Hey friends, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made these adorable peppermint candy home decor for your front yard. So stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I got inspired. I was on Pinterest and I saw these really cute peppermint candies. I've seen them before at like the malls and stuff, and I always wondered, I wonder where they get them. They were huge, and I thought, why not look it up on Pinterest? And I got some really good ideas, and I'll show you how I put this together. So what I did, these what they call pool noodles that I got. I know a lot of the stores are not going to have this anymore, but I had a couple of them laying around, and then I needed some more, so I ended up putting in an order on Amazon, and I'll link it down below where I got these. I think I got 6 of them, I believe, for only, I want to say like under maybe $12, but anyhow, I got 6 of them in a pack. So you'll need some pool noodles. You will also need red duct tape. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. So I got a couple of these. Not your typical thicker one, but get a couple of them in case you plan on doing several. I also got this here, the wrapper for baskets, also at the Dollar Tree. I believe there's 2 in here per pack, so I got a couple of them. And I also, in the Christmas section of the Dollar Tree, I found these ribbons that I thought would look really cute. And to use these, but it's these really cute, adorable peppermint sticks from the Dollar Tree as well, but because they didn't have any straight ones without this round hook, I'm gonna have to break it off. Believe me, that's how I did this other one here. I ended up breaking off and then inserting it through the bottom here. A couple of things that you might also need: clear tape. I forgot where I left it. You'll need a glue gun. So what we're gonna do here is we will start off at an angle. Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. Okay, so you want to add glue on the tape, not necessarily on the noodle, because it will not stick. So make sure you coat it with lots of, and you're going to put 2 of them together. And you're just going to let it sit there for a little bit. So what I did is secure it with some clear tape, because the glue, it's not really working as well. So you just want to double secure it. I'm going to start to roll it up. Da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. So as you see here, I've already wrapped it up. So next, I've already cut the top of the arch of this candy cane. I am going to use the cellophane wrap, and here it is. Here's the finished product. So I really hope you guys try this out. I really enjoyed putting this together with my son. I'm sure you guys will do too, just in time for the holidays. Well, see you soon, and happy holidays, everyone.